Welcome to this video. Here I'm going to show you how to create tag rules. For this example, I have already created an empty loop called 300F02, and I'm going to create an instrument for this. I'm going to click on the new instrument button and the instrument tag number dialog box opens up. Now, first thing, please note, if yours looks like this, the bit smaller version, just click on the show button on the right hand bottom. So first thing I want to do here, I want to add a rule line, and I want to type in part of my rule in here. So here I typed in my first rule line area. It will get string 1 of group tag where the delimiter is. I can test it and I can see I get a 300. Let's add another rule line, and I'm going to type my new rule line in here, and I'm getting the function and I'm adding a T to that because I want this to be a transmitter. Test it, I get my FT as my function. Let's insert a rule line, so I'll click on the top one and I'll say insert rule line, and it inserts one above it. So here I'm going to fill in the number part quickly, and if I test it, you'll see my number is 02. Next, I'm going to add a last rule line just to add the tag number for me. And once I test this rule, you can see that my tag number is now also updated. So within here, I can now give my tag rule a name. I'm going to call it test transmitter, and the tag format is area function num. Just like that. You don't have to fill this in. This tag format you can use as your own little guide. And now you can just say save as, and it saves the tag rule as you called it, test transmitter. Now I can say OK, and you will see that my instrument 300FT02 would be created. As you can see, there it is. I also created a T-strip and a cable for it. And let's use this rule on another instrument real quickly. So I quickly created a new loop called 300L02. I'll click on instrument, I'll add an instrument, and all I have to do this time is find my test transmitter right there in the tag rules, and I can say OK. I can say yes to this, and there it is. I've got my 300LT02. So once the tag rules are set up, it makes life a bit easier in the end. Thank you. That is the end of this video. There are more videos on the website, and you can also request videos from there if you do not see them.